Hi, I'd like to introduce you to your individual learning plan, your ILP, which we have renamed to an informal graduation evaluation form. And you'll find several tabs here at the bottom. This first tab, you will not be able to edit. This is actually pulling all the information that we need to know as you prepare for graduation. The two tabs most important to you are going to be tabs 2 and 3. This first tab is for this year, and the second tab is for next year. The information that you plug in right here, your page to edit, will automatically come over into this document and fill these spaces. Let me show you an example. It will be up to you to decide when to take the course. So let's say you decide to enroll in 214. Fast forward, that course is done, you pass the course, and then you're going to put file 12, and when you look over here, you can see that it automatically filled it in and populated how many units. So let's notice that the prereq number 3 is not filled in, and let's go ahead and do that. So I decide to take 206 in spring 13, and I was able to pass the course. I completed that in spring of 13, and once I click off, I'm going to go ahead and see if it entered. So there it is. It gave me credit for 4 units worth, and there it is totaled for me. And it also totals down at the bottom. Pretending to be you a year from now, I plugged in these courses as if I was going to take them, and here they are populating this front page for us. Next, you'll notice a place to interact regarding your minor, what minor you're taking, what classes, what terms, how many units. Here's an opportunity to get feedback from your advisors. In this space, you'll be able to type in courses you've taken at other universities. And for study abroad, you'll be able to mark here courses that you're taking, and we'll be able to interact and tell you whether it meets a particular NLO. And in case you took a course and you want to see if it's able to be converted, here's the space. The final one is really just for office use. I also wanted to show you how easy it is to get to your Google Doc. If you start with your email, and then you go straight over here to Drive. Yours might say Documents, and now you're looking at a repository for all your documents that are Google Docs. Because I have so many, I have to do a little search function, and there it comes up. I click on it, and there we are back to the original document. One other feature I'd like to mention is sometimes you might be in your document with one of your advisors, and you can see who else is on. So once you click here, you might find that you'd be able to chat synchronously with your advisor. This over here is where you can find who all is involved in your spreadsheet with you, and if you wanted to, email one of your advisors, ask them a question, could you please, and email that to them to get a response.